Okay, dear friend, I'm back. I haven't uploaded the video for a few days because I caught a cold. Anyway, I'm back. And this machine, I will be looking at is Madness on the Tryhackme. I've already spawned the machine earlier. This is the IP address of the target. And I'd like to use the Kali Linux, your local Kali Linux provided or running inside the VMware to do this preparation. And so now we can go inside the Kali Linux VM. As you can see, I've already done the nmap scanning with the usual options like scene scan, the version scan, and the default script scan. So output, I use this option ON to output, to save the output to this file. From the nmap scanning results, as you can see over here, the two open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the corresponding version information. As we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. The second one is 80, which is running HTTP service, and also the version information. So what we are going to do next is to do emulation with web application. First, we can launch our browser to do the emulation manually. And let's put the IP address of the target into the address bar. This is the default Apache 2 page. And we can scroll down to see whether we can find some weird or interesting information. But nothing. And also we can check the source code of this page. And we can scroll down. Some CSS code which doesn't reveal any interesting information. Okay, sorry. And here there is one comment. They will never find me. Very interesting comment. And here is the image. The format or extension is JPG. So maybe we can open up this image. However, this image cannot be displayed because it contains errors. So maybe we can download this image file to the Kali Linux for the furthermore analysis. And we can use the wget utility to download. It's done. And we can use the file command to see what this file is about. This file is data. So although from the extension we can know that this file should be the picture, however, we didn't we cannot open this file. And if we go back to I think we can go to and go to the Tryhackme, and the working directory should be Madness, and we can open up this THM GPG. So you fail to open it. Now we go back to the terminal. Also we can use the exif utility to see what it's about, right? exif2 and the THM GPG. So here, very weird, from the metadata, the exif2 can give us the metadata of the file, the picture, like a file type. Here, give us the information. The picture should be PNG. However, from the extension, we can know that this picture should belong to the JPEG file. So maybe there's some wrong, with this file. And we can use the utility GX utility to see what's it's about, to give more detailed analysis. For example, we can open up this, this GUI hex utility can help us to analyze the hex data. Okay, and we can open up, and we can open Now we can navigate to the, should be, yeah, here. Yeah, not this one. Root, desktop, Tryhackme, madness. And let's open up. We can make it bigger. So, you know, from the header of this file, we can know that, yeah, this file is PNG file. And I think, you know, maybe this header is intentionally modified so that this is the reason why we cannot open it properly. And we can use the Google to make search, yeah, the hex header of different files. I also added the link into the description section below so that this can be reference for you if you want. As you can see here, if the, you know, if the picture is JPG or JPEG, the header should be like this one. So we can copy and go back to, yeah, we can note it down into the notebook. You know, JPG header should be this one. Okay, so I think now, you know, the hex utility can help us to, yeah, to edit the hex value. And we can, so where, not this one, yeah, this one. We can quit. So we need to, yeah, replace the header of this file. And then the picture can be shown or displayed correctly, right? So how to modify? We just follow. The first one is FF. And we can, yeah, FF. And the second one is D8. And then should be FF. And then should be E0. E0. And then should be 00. Followed by 10. And then should be 4A. 4A. And followed by 46. And then 49. And then should be 46. Okay, and we can save. We can save as. New, save. Now we can go back to the working directory or working folder. Yeah, as you can see, now the picture can be displayed properly, and this gives us the hidden directory. So can we, maybe I need to note it down. Yeah, I can make it smaller. So the hidden directory. All right, so then we can copy this directory name and put at the end. Yeah, welcome. I have been expecting you. Wonderful, right? To obtain my identity, you need to guess my secret. Secret entered. That's wrong. Get out of here. We can check the source code of this page. Yeah, it's between 0 and 99, but I don't think anyone will look here. So I think it means that we need to pass the number, and the number should be between 0 and 99. Of course, we can use the Burp Suite or use the Python script to do this, this enumeration. But I think the Burp Suite is better. Now we can, and the parameter name should be secret, right? So we can set the proxy to Burp Suite, and then we can launch the Burp Suite Community Edition. Yeah, this machine is more like CTF style. Close, next. Start up, Burp Suite. Yeah, enable the proxy. And we can, the parameter name should be secret. And the number should be 0, between 0 and 99. We can hit enter, and we got the request. And then we can send to intruder module. Yeah, we can add the dollar, and we need to set the payloads to be numbers, and from 0 to 100. The type is sequential, okay? And start attack. Invalid number settings, go back. So should be 1. Numbers start. Okay. Yeah, the intruder module starts the cracking. Okay, I forgot one thing. As instructed by the loom. As you can see, please note this challenge doesn't require SSH brute forcing. Use your skills to access the user and the root account. Sorry. And we just wait for this to be completed to see whether we can get or retrieve the value, the number, and then get access to this secret area. I don't think it will take a long time because the range is fixed between 0 and 99. And then we can, by looking at the difference of the response, and to identify the correct payload. Hopefully, we can get what we want. Of course, also we can use the Python to write script to do this enumeration, and this script will not, be complicated at all. For example, like we can use the module import requests, and the base URL should be blah blah blah. I don't want to do that, and then we can do the loop for I in range 0 to 100, and then we can create the URL, base URL, and secret, right? And can response requests. I don't want to complete this code. Of course, this Python code is very easy. Okay, remove it because I use the community edition of the Burp Suite. So yeah, it will not be very efficient. Yeah, from the perspective of speed. Anyway, it's almost done, as you can see from the status of the intruder attack module. Yeah, as a pen tester, we must grasp the Burp Suite. You know, the Burp Suite is so useful to analyze the request. Of course, not only analyze, also can do the manipulation, manipulate the response, manipulate the request. Yeah, very powerful. Yeah, I think we got the correct payload, which is 73, because the length is very different from others, right? So we can let it run, and at the same time, we can set the proxy to be off, and then press enter. As you can see, yeah, you got it right, but I won't tell you who am I. It means that the username, yeah, we didn't get the username from this secret area. However, we can get the passwords. We can note down this password onto our notebook. And of course, you know, if without the instruction of the loom, we can use the Hydra to do the brute forcing to get or retrieve the username. However, as instructed by the loom, we cannot do the brute forcing for the SSH surface. So what can we do next? First, we can check the source code of this page, but nothing there. Yeah, it's, oh, sorry, not this one. So, you know, just I mentioned earlier, yeah, this, maybe I can close down the hex utility. Yeah, maybe I can close down because I don't want any more. So then we can use the stack hat utility to try to find hidden message under or inside this picture. And the passphrase, maybe we can use this passphrase, what we have already got from the secret area. Yeah, it's correct. Now we can get out this text file. Yeah, here's a username. Yeah, this one. Of course, we can note it down into our notebook. If you think now we have already got the username and password for the SSH, you will be wrong. You can try, because here I didn't say I would make it easy for you. So this is, I think, there's some sort of the rabbit hole. We can SSH, and we can copy the IP address of the target. And we can supply the password. However, this doesn't work. Although, I think the username itself is a bit weird, right? Not a normal one. Maybe this is encoded by some way or by some operations. For example, like ROT, the do some transposition, later transposition. So then we can now, maybe I can close down the Burp Suite because, I don't want it anymore to save the resource of the Kali Linux. And now we can go to the subchef utility or website. This one provides us so many different operations to do the decoding. And we can copy, this username. For example, we can select the ROT setting. This if you do a lot of CTF-like machines, you will encounter this operation or encoding very often. You can see, the output is Joker. Much more reasonable, right? And now, if you think now we have already got the correct username and password, you will be wrong again. And however, we can note down the possible username should be Joker. Sorry. Because, for example, now we can log in to the target, use the Joker as username, and we can copy the IP address of the target. And we can copy the password again. As you can see, this compilation of the username and passwords cannot work as well. So, this, for me, I think this is very, very difficult to get the right direction. If we go back to the loom, there is picture the madness, and this picture actually contains the credentials. We can get the link of this picture and then use the wget to download this picture. This is not very permission, not enable. Why not? So wget, why not? Is none. Very weird. I cannot. It's all right. I can copy this link and use the browser to download this picture. I don't know the reason. Reload and save image to the working directory. All right, then we can use the stack height utility to analyze the information, hidden hidden message inside this picture. We do not need to provide the passphrase. We just press enter. As you can see, we got the passwords file. Yeah, I think this is the new password or the actual password. We can copy and note it down onto our notebook. And then this time we can log in to the target via SSH with the new password. As you can see, we are successfully logged in as the user Joker to the target. And then we can do the local enumeration. Yeah, we can get the user flag without any issue, right? And then the next step or the next objective for us is to elevate our privilege to the root user. And in order to do that, we need to do the local enumeration. For example, we can get out the bash history to see what's, but we don't get anything. Now we can run the sudo with the L option. Yeah, this user, the current user, may not run sudo on this machine. Next, we can check whether we can find some SUID binaries. And I've already used this technique very, very often. You can follow along my videos, right? So I don't want to explain it anymore. Let's press enter to see whether we can find out such SUID binaries. If the binary has a SUID bit, and then we can utilize this binary to elevate our privilege. As you can see, we got two, not very common utility or command of the Linux. And these two commands has SUID bit. And then we can use the Google to make some research to see whether there is any vulnerability for this command. And we can go to, for example, here, screen. It does have the local privilege escalation vulnerability. We can open up. Maybe I can copy the link and access. This link and download this script. And I think this script is bash script. And of course we can copy from the downloads. And then we need to upload this shell script to the target. In order to upload this shell script, we can set up the, of course we can use different ways to do that. But for me, the easiest way to do is to set up the web server locally on the Kali Linux. And then we can go back to the, this one. We can navigate to temp directory and then use the wget utility to upload this exploit script. And the name of the, because I don't want to remember it. I just use the copy and paste way to upload. No problem. And then now we can, we need to make it executable. And we can run this shell script. No such a file. Really weird. Why not? Warning, here document at the line 10 delimited by end of the file. So I need to go back to the exploit database. So how to use this Python script? This doesn't work. Why not working? Screen itself. Screen is set UID. I need to fixed. Okay, I just use a different way. Yeah, I copy this shell script and I open up this prev, new file, and then copy that code into this file and run it and make it executable and run this shell script. So this time, this exploit can work. And now we can navigate to root directory. And then we can get the root flag without any issue. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.